Yeah, Frankie's very much the man in the middle, weighing the economic interests of the country, the health interests of the country, and the wild card in all this, the personal interests of the president. As Secretary of Health and Human Services, Alex Azar has been out across America visiting testing sites set up like this one in Jacksonville or another at the Charlotte Motor Speedway in North Carolina. Testing is key to the reopening of America, and he stands in line with President Trump's aggressive push to do so.
We have the preconditions set where we can get back to work, back to school, back in our communities. We can do it the right way and we can do it the safe way.
Testing is key, and so are face masks. Ohio Governor Mike DeWine this week tweeting that wearing a face covering is not about politics, it's about helping other people. The president, though, has suggested wearing them is a sign of either political correctness or personal weakness. You clearly feel differently. Have you talked to the president about this, and do his words and actions undermine your message?
So the president's situation is very different from the rest of us. Of course, he's the leader of the free world. The president is tested regularly. And as you mentioned, as Governor DeWine mentioned, you wear a mask to protect others from you. Sort of the motto of our Surgeon General is, I protect you, you protect me. The president's tested regularly. Any of us who are in close proximity to him are tested that same day that we're with him. So it's a very different circumstance.
Cleveland was proud to host the Republican convention in 2016. As you know, it's a sea of people on buses and lines, close proximity, height of summer. The president wants to hold a full convention in August. Do you even see that as a possibility?
It's a possibility. We have to be guided by evidence and science at the time and also by what the appropriate precautions are. I don't want to get into politics, but as we think about any type of large-scale gatherings, there's a way to do things depending on the local community circumstances at the time. If we have appropriate social distancing, appropriate procedures. So there are ways to do this. One has to simply come up with those approaches.
Interesting to note his position there versus what the president would like to see, again, with a full convention, not quite mixing with that. Secretary Azar, by the way, has roots here in Northeast Ohio. His family used to operate a grocery store near Brown's training camp in Berea, and he used to talk about how the players used to come in afterwards. We're reporting live in Shaker Heights. John Kosich, News 5.